The sight of Christmas trees and the ringing of sleigh bells means that it will soon be the coldest time of the year. But for many of us, the season doesn't really start until we can wake up and see our lawns covered in snow. Zach, along with 7 News reporter Colin Roos, talked winter predictions with West Virginia's top climatologist.
A forecast of our winter weather starts not with a look into the sky, but into the ocean. What you're seeing here is called La Nina, and it means that cooler than average water off South America's coast is causing trouble for the rest of the world, even up here in West Virginia, where it has the potential to ruin a few snow days. It's the third year in a row meteorologists have observed it, and it's one of only a few times since 1900 that we've had a triple dip of this kind. In short, it means our winter is leaning toward being a little more wet and a little less cold. But our state climatologist, Dr. Kevin Law, says the effect won't be quite as strong in 2022.
If we look at the first year of La Nina, we were more in the moderate kind of category. Last year, getting a little bit weaker, and this year, a little bit weaker yet. We're probably kind of on the borderline of what you'd classify as a weak to moderate.
That's reflected on the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration's official prediction maps. That light orange stripe over West Virginia means slightly higher temperatures than normal, and the light green area means more rain or snow. But Dr. Law says La Nina doesn't have an iron grip over our winter conditions, since lots of other patterns are conspiring in the Atlantic to throw a wrench in our winter plans.
Just because things might be near or closer to normal with just the La Nina, you can still always have some of those larger snow events.
That's not to mention that a degree or two one way or the other means the difference between slick snow and slushy stuff. Even if snow forms up in the clouds, it still has to pass through layers of minute-by-minute temperature changes before it falls on our streets. You never quite know what you're going to get, which is why we don't get a lot of warning for big snowstorms.
The difference between rain to freezing rain to sleet to snow can change over a relatively short distance.
So the big question is, how much shoveling will we have to do? As you can see, the last few years in Wheeling haven't been record-breaking when it comes to snow, and this year may follow suit as the reign of La Nina continues. But don't throw away your sled, because tomorrow never knows when it comes to winter. Reporting live in Wheeling, I'm Colin Roos, working for you.
Thank you, Colin. We're not finished yet with our preview of the months ahead. Stay tuned tomorrow, and we'll look at how much you need to bundle up and the chance that